Anil sir ನೋಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮಿಂದ one will get the 22 carat chain. I'm banking on you. So if you're ready, music ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡೋಣ. ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಮಾಡಿ ರವಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ನೋಡ್ತಾರೆ. 1, 2, 3. Can you all please put your hands together for the lovely dancers? ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ? ಬೇರೆ ಇವತ್ತು. We don't know what they're doing. So we love what they're doing. We're gonna have to limbo. Thank you. Ravi, thank you so very much. No, decision ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. The decision is not over. All of you please quickly jump on the stage. On the stage. I have to give away the last few points, and of course, so big, right there, really fast. Okay, everyone from team 2 move towards your team, and everyone from ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ very simple. Sir, ಈ ಕಡೆ team 2 ಈ ಕಡೆ, team 2. Okay, this side, team 1. What is this confusion? Okay, what we're going to do, very simple, there'll be one more new. It pass agbitre, the audience will decide. It's called as a limbo dance. Salpa kelsana. It's a very simple one. Can we have the limbo, please? Okay, this is a very simple one. You all are in the line here. Sir, salpa. Okay? Here, we're going to have it right here. Zach, we're going to have it right here. Very simple. It's a very simple dance called the limbo dance. All you need to do, one hogtira. Limbo dance is all about dancing and going right there. But this is not limbo where you just bend like this. Okay? Kai use madakagala. Yar pass agtira 50 points korana, and the audience will decide who is the best dancer. So we're going to go a little behind. We'll start first. First we'll start with team 1. Okay? We'll start with team 1. Sir. First allinda shuru madana. We'll start with team 1. Team 1. Zach. Okay. One after the other in team 1. Okay? Team 1, if you're ready, let's find out who's the best